For almost 10 years, Reveal's been designing award-winning cameras that our users love for their ease of use, security, flexibility, strength, and design. When we started the design process for the new D-Series camera, we had one single objective in mind. We set ourselves the task of making by far the best body camera in the world. Not just by a small margin, we were determined to exceed anything out there by such an extent that choosing a D camera would be a no-brainer for any customer. Reveal has always designed and manufactured groundbreaking products, and our cameras and evidence management system is used by many more police forces in the UK than any other system. We have hundreds of customers all over the world, including the United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and the Middle East. So coming up with a new product that was going to be even better than the one that was already hugely successful was a big challenge, to say the least. In the D-Series, we've kept all the essential features that we've always had in Reveal cameras. Unbreakable security, the front-facing screen, which is a proven calming effect and maximizes transparency, and the articulated camera head, which allows the camera to be worn by all shapes and sizes of users, or worn on a helmet, or in a vehicle, or as well as being an interview recorder. Reveal was the first manufacturer to introduce AES encryption in the camera, and the D-Series, of course, continues to use this. So besides being determined to improve our existing signature features in every way, the D-Cam introduces a few game-changing features as well. To give our customers choice of features and budgets, we've designed two cameras, the D5 with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and the D3 without. The D5 has the ability to stream in real time from the camera through Wi-Fi or via mobile device connected to a cellular network. High-quality video can now be seen live anywhere in the world, allowing real-time situational awareness and decision-making. We think this ability has the potential to completely transform certain incident handling and outcomes, giving our customers a totally new tool to enhance their effectiveness. Our goal has always been to give our customers the best possible tool to capture the context of events in challenging circumstances. Both the D5 and D3 have low light capability that far exceeds any other body cameras on the market. There's simply nothing that comes close. Our customers have asked us for longer and longer recording times, so we challenged ourselves to design a camera that was able to record HD video for over 12 hours without the camera being any bigger. This required us to use the very latest power management techniques, and we've worked closely with the chipset manufacturers to optimize the electronics and meet our goals. Reveal has always put design at the forefront of our product philosophy. We understand that users want to feel an affinity with what they wear and what equipment they use. Really good design takes time and meticulous attention to every detail. Not only is it supremely easy to use, it's a product that the user will be proud to wear. Great visual design is no good if the resulting product cannot stand up to the rigors of daily life. We made hundreds of adjustments during the design process to increase the strength and durability of the D-Series. As well as reinforcing the internal structure, we've added extra toughness by creating rubberized armor using a two-stage molding process. This not only provides extra hand grip, it greatly enhances the ability of the D camera to shrug off knocks and drops. As well as this, we've added a waterproof USB port and toughened screen protection, making the D-Series incredibly durable. To achieve the D-Series, we've worked with the best technology companies from around the world. We've put our heart and souls into what we think is by far the best body camera in the world today.